Hi guys, so as you may or may not know, the library begins offering curbside services today, May 18th through June 2nd, Monday through Friday from 10 to 5. So today I'm going to be showing you how to order items through our online catalog. Some things to mention first. In order to hold items for curbside service, your library account must be in good standing. Second, holds must be placed in advance. We will not be able to offer on-demand checkouts with your curbside service. Third, statewide delivery services are not operating at this time, so holds can only be placed on items that we have locally. And finally, in order to order items online, you will need to know your library card number and PIN associated with your account. If you don't know your PIN, it is typically the last 4 digits of the phone number we have on file for you. But if that doesn't work, send me an email and I can look it up, or give us a call at 740-335-2540 and we can help you there, or you can order your items there. All right, so let's get started. So first, we are going to go to the library's website where I am currently at, cplwcho.org. Next, you are going to want to come up to the top of the page and click on My Account. You will then be prompted to sign in with your library card number and PIN, like I mentioned a moment ago. Once you are logged in, the page will look like so. To search the catalog, the first thing you should do is go ahead and change this first box to Carnegie Public, so that we are only searching within what our library owns, since we cannot get materials from other libraries right now. After that, you can go ahead and type in the title you were looking for, or you can type in an author's name. So I will type in James Patterson and then click search. So this is what the results page will look like. You see that on the left-hand side of the page, you have options to narrow your results by format, audience, author, publication date, series, subject, and library. With this library one at the top, we already selected Carnegie Public Library as our library, but if we wanted to, we could click View All and select our library again. The most helpful one here may also be the format option. So if you know that you only want large print materials, you could select that here, and the system will only show large print materials. Another nice option is to click Only Show Available or On Order. So we could click on that and the system won't show us anything that's not available. Of course, you don't need to apply any of these filters. You can just scroll through here and check everything out for yourself as well. As you scroll through your results, you will notice at the bottom of the entry it says how many are available at the library. Some titles still may show as unavailable because they are likely checked out or on hold for others. Another thing to mention on this page as you are looking through materials is that on these entries we are given details on the items, so you will be able to see the format of the item. So this one is a book on CD, this one is a regular fiction book, and then if we scroll down, this is what it will look like if it is a large print material. So make sure you check that out as well so that you don't accidentally order a book on CD when what you really wanted was a physical book. Once you find a title that you want, you will just come over here and click Place a Hold. Next, make sure your pickup library is set to Carnegie Washington Courthouse. Of course, our Jeffersonville patrons can utilize curbside services, but pickup is only available at our Washington Courthouse location. We will click Place Holds. And here we can see it says the title and success. So we are good to go. When you are all done searching for materials and you want to make sure that the hold was placed correctly, you can come back up to the top of the page and click My Account, and then come down to Holds. And here we can see that the hold has been placed and that it is pending. After that, you will receive notification from us when your item or items are ready, so please wait until you have received that notification to come to the library for pickup. If you want to browse materials, you can do so by browsing our new titles. So I am going to start by clicking on New Large Print, but you could select any of these. I'm going to click on that. And then at the top here, I am going to select Only Show Available. And then once that reloads, I am going to come down to the bottom to narrow by library. And I'm going to click View All. And then I'm going to scroll down until I find Carnegie Washington Courthouse. I'm going to select that and then click Include. So now we can see all of the new large print materials at our library that should be available. And then, as I mentioned before, you can see different details about the item here, and then you can see how many copies are available. And then, of course, you could just click Place a Hold, and you would place a hold the same way as we did before. So I am going to wrap up this video now by mentioning a few things to keep in mind. Pickup times are May 18th through June 2nd, Monday through Friday from 10 to 5. Please allow us a minimum of 24 hours to pull your items. We are working hard to get your materials to you. If you are bringing items back, please place them in the book drop or in our runner's basket so that we can observe social distancing rules and minimize contact. Like I mentioned earlier, please wait until you have received notification from us that your items are ready before coming to pick up. When your items are ready, come to the library, park in our lot, and call 740-335-2540 extension 14. If you don't have a phone, we will have parking spaces available for those without phones, so you don't need to worry. And finally, please have your library card or ID available when we come out to your car. If you are picking up for someone else, please have their library card with you. So that is how to order library materials on our website for curbside service. I hope you found this helpful, and please reach out to us if you have any other questions. We look forward to seeing you soon.